If you have been looking for a simple arbitrage opportunity that is capable of generating you some passive income, then look no more further, because this update I'm about sharing with you is one of the simplest 2026 working arbitrage that I've tested out myself and I've confirmed it working. But remember, this is not a financial advice. This video is only for educational purpose. So guys, without any further ado, let's dive straight right onto today's tutorial. This arbitrage is very simple, like I said earlier, and this arbitrage is only within two verified crypto exchange, and that is Bybit and MEXC exchange. So these are the two exchanges you are going to be leading for this particular crypto arbitrage. If you are yet to own an account on these two exchanges, then use the link right on this video description to create an account for yourself. Within 5 to 10 minutes, your account must have been verified and you can now get started. So the first thing you are going to do after you have created an account for yourself on this exchange, the first exchange where we are going to be buying our coin from, that is on MEXC, right? So right here on MEXC, you are going to be seeing the price is a bit different from the exchange B, which is Bybit we are going to be using. And for this particular crypto arbitrage, we are going to be making use of BTC, that is Bitcoin. So on MEXC, you are going to go to where it says market. Right on market, just select BTC. Once you select BTC, you are going to be seeing the price of BTC right here. Okay, so right here, click on buy. Once you click on buy, then you are going to see the price of BTC right here. From what you can see, the price of BTC at this particular time I was recording this video is trading at this price you can see right here. That is $88,632. That is the price of BTC as at the time I was making this video. Now on this particular arbitrage, if you think you really want to make something tangible out of this particular arbitrage, you should be starting it with nothing less than $100. Nothing less than $100. If you are starting this arbitrage below $100, you might not really make any profit at all. In fact, you might be running into losses. Okay, so $100 is the best you can start this arbitrage with. So this is the price, like I said, $88,632. That is the price on MEXC. So once you have confirmed the price on MEXC, then we have to go to the exchange 2. On exchange 2, that is Bybit. Bybit right here, you have to do the exact thing you did on MEXC. On Bybit, you are going to locate BTC and you are going to select sell. On Bybit, you are going to be seeing Bybit is selling their BTC at 88,610 as at when I was making this video, right? Now the price is never going to be static. It's going to be changing in between, and based on my own research, Bybit is selling higher than MEXC. I'm talking about Bitcoin right now as at the time I was making this video. So the exchange that is selling it at a low price, that is MEXC, and we are going to be buying it on MEXC because they are selling it at a low price. So we are going to go back right now to MEXC, and MEXC right here, you see the price has changed from 88,630 to 88,613. So another thing you need to consider right on this particular arbitrage is your timing. You need to be very fast while carrying out this arbitrage so that you are not going to lose your money in between. So as you can see right here, the price on Bybit has also changed from the previous price to 88,617. So you see, Bybit is actually selling higher than MEXC. That is what I want you to understand. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do right now, since we confirm the gap in the price, the next thing we are going to do is for us to go back to MEXC and go and purchase our Bitcoin. So when you purchase your Bitcoin right here with $100, you are going to be seeing the amount of Bitcoin you are going to be getting for $100. Before you carry out this arbitrage, even with the price difference, always do your calculation and see if you'll be making profit at that particular time or not, because a coin that is profitable right now may not be profitable in the next 30 or 1 hour. So you need to be very conscious about the price differences before you proceed on this arbitrage. So once you have confirmed and you think you are good to go, the next thing you are going to do after you have purchased your coin from MEXC is for you to send your fund down to Bybit. Another thing that made this arbitrage to be possible, most especially on Bitcoin, is because of the low gas fee on MEXC. Most crypto exchange, gas fee on Bitcoin is extremely high. Some exchange charges as high as $7, $8, even $10 just by sending Bitcoin to other exchanges. But on MEXC, you are going to be sending just around $1.23. And the two exchanges we are using right on this particular crypto arbitrage are both verified crypto exchange. So these are not one of those Ponzi scheme exchange that you will send your money and at the end of the day your fund is going to be locked up. This is verified crypto exchanges we are using for this particular crypto arbitrage. So right now, this is the gas fee you are going to be paying. So now you don't have to worry about you losing your profit to gas fee. Now if you go to Bybit, let's check out the gas fee on Bybit. Okay, as you can see, Bybit is charging almost $10 if you are sending Bitcoin out of Bybit to other crypto wallets. As you can see, that is what I'm telling you. But thank God we are only buying our Bitcoin from MEXC and we are sending it down to Bybit. Assuming we are buying from Bybit and sending it down to MEXC, then it's totally a complete loss on our side. Okay, so the next thing we're going to be doing right now is for us to send down the fund to Bybit, right? And another thing you need to be aware of is that when you want to buy your coin on MEXC, make sure you are buying on market order. Don't use limit order because limit order might actually delay you, and if care is not taken, the price can change in between and you can lose your money. So we are going to be making use of market order. Once you use your market order and you have successfully sent the money to your Bybit, what you are going to be doing next on Bybit is for you to also make use of the same market order to send the coin you sent from your MEXC. And after you have successfully sent the money to your Bybit, before you sell it off on your Bybit, make sure you see it and check it if you are still in a profit. If you are not in a profit, all you just have to do is for you to exercise some patience. It can be within 10 minutes or 30 minutes or an hour, then you can sell in a profit again and take your profit. Okay, so that is how you do this particular crypto arbitrage. It is very, very easy. Just make sure you are not greedy. You can be doing this multiple times in a day. At times it can be 2 times in a day, 3 times in a day. It all depends on the market movement at that particular day. Okay, so this is what I have for you right on this update. Ensure you drop your comment in the comment section if you have one question to the other. If you don't understand what I've taught you right on this update, you can always use the link right on this video description to reach out to me and message me. Another thing you can do on Bybit, instead of you sending directly on the market space, you can decide to use the convert option and you convert the coin you sent from MEXC right here on Bybit convert option. And from here you can click on mass. Mass means you are sending all the Bitcoin you sent to Bybit, and from there you can convert it to USDT, and you can also proceed to carry out another round of arbitrage if you think it's still profitable as at that time. So this is all I have for you right on this update. You can see this my video right here or right here to learn more way to make money right in the crypto space. And if you think you want to join our trading service where we trade on behalf of our interested subscriber, you can as well use the link right on this video description to reach out to me, and I will give you all our terms and conditions. I will see you on the next one, guys. Bye for now.